Good morning children. Today we are discussing remaining sums are there now in the exercise 5.4 page number 74. 21 to 30 sums are there. So I will explain 21 to 26 sums. 4 sums are homework for you. Okay. Now 21. 8089 divided by 8. In the 8 table 80 when it's come 8 tens are. You know directly. So 8 tens are 80. So 80 minus 8 is 0. First 8 will come. Here 1 digit only will come. Not come to 2 digits at a time. Okay. See 8 when it's come in the 8 table 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 0. Now this 9 come to down. Now in the 8 table 8 ones are again. 8 ones are 8. 8 2s are 16. Now 16 is big. So 9 minus 8 1. Hence quotient equals to 1011. Remainder equals to 1. Like this. Understand children? First you have to maintain in the 8 table 80 when it's come 10 8s are 80. And first you should write 1 digit only you should take 8. In the multiplication you have to do multiplication with this side. In the division take the digits from this side only. 8. The division do like this means you have to take one more digit. Now 22. 8556 divided by 17. Now 17 table, see, first you have to write here 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 31. You have to up to write you 85 when it's come up to you have to write this table. 17 fours are 68, 17 fives are 85. 85 came now, so 17 fives are 85. 85 minus 85 0. First you have to take first one digit only, and here observe children. 1 digit only take I said no, but here 2 digits multiplication. So we have to take 2 digit at a time in this situation. Okay. 2 digit multiplication what? 17 no. 17 is 2 digits. So we should take one more digit also. Why? Because here 1 digit is not multiplied with 2 digits. So we should take 2 digits. When you are taking one more digit to down directly, we should maintain 0. I said no. In the quotient, we have to write 0. Then we have to take this digit also. Okay. When you are taking 2 digits at a time, you have to write here one more 0. Understand children? Now 56. 56 near what will be there? 51. So 17 threes are 51. That should be right. Understand children? In the 7 table 56 when it's come not coming. So we have to take near to that number. What is that near number? 51. This is also near, but this is big no. 56 is small. So we should take small number to the 56. So 51 is small. So 17 threes are 51. 6 minus 1 5. 5 minus 5 0. So hence quotient equals to 503. Remainder equals to 5. Understand children? You have to take 2 digits at a time means you should maintain 0 in the quotient. Okay, then it will correct process of the division. Okay. Now 23rd sum, 4699 divided by 23. Here observe children. Here 23 is, we are taking 23 table. 23 table we don't know means what should we do? We know up to 20 tables, but 23 we don't know. How to do? See here. Now 23 ones are 23. You know already. Now 23 twos are. First you have to maintain like this. Okay, 3 twos are how much? 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4. Like this. Okay, like this you have to maintain. So 46. 46 came now. So 23 twos are 46. 23 twos are 46. That should be right. Now 46 minus 46 0. Now 9 came to down. 9 1 digit only not possible. So we have to take one more digit. One more digit we have to take means here 0 should be right. I said no. So 99. 23 when it's come 99 not came. So 23 threes are 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are 6. 69. Now 23 fours are 4 threes are 12. 12 means 2 here right. Remaining here right. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 92. Now 23 fives are 5 threes are 15. So 5 here right, remaining 1 here right. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So here observe children 11. 115 is the big no, 99 is small. So we should take small number 92 here. So 23 fours are 92. Subtract. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. Hence, quotient equals to 204. Remainder equals to 7. Understand children? When you are taking one more digit directly means we have to write 0, that is must and should. And when you don't know 23 table means you have to multiply 23 table like this. Okay, you have to maintain rough like this. So 24 sum 9386 divided by 31. Now 31 table. 31 table means don't confuse. Again you have to maintain rough like this. 31 ones are 31. 31 twos are 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 31 threes are 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So 93 came now. 31 threes are 93. So this 93 minus 93 0. Now 8 will come to down. When you are not able to do with that one digit no, so we have to take one more number to down. So 0 you have to maintain here 86. In the 86, see observe children here 86 when it's come in the 31 table not came. But 93 is big no, 86 is small. So we should take small number 62 here. 62. So 31 twos are 62. You have to maintain this quotient. Some are forgot about this. Writing this directly, but here quotient also you must and should write. Okay. 6 minus 2. How much? 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. So 24 is the remainder. Observe children, in the previous sums we have only one digit only remainder. Here 2 digits came. When 2 digits will came, you have to remember like this. Why? Because 24 is small to 31. 24 is small. So this is only remainder. Understand children? If you have here 31 means, if you have here result is 31 means, again you should write 31 threes are 30, 31 ones are 31, then you will get 0 like that. Okay children? Here 24 is small to 31. So we should take this is only remainder. Hence quotient equals to 302. Remainder equals to 24. Understand children? Now 25th sum 95,579 divided by 19. Here see 5 digits came now. We know already 19 table. Up to 20 we learn. So 19 table we know already. So here write rough. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. So 95 came now. We have to remember like this. Here 2 digits what is there, that up to we have to write this multiplication. 19 fives are 95. So 95 minus 95 0. 5 come to down. 5 is small number no 19. So we should take one more number. So 0 here right. 57. 57 when it's come 3. 19 3s are 57. 57. 57 minus 57 0. This 9 will be there no. That come to down now. So what I said. Don't write when you are writing this directly means this is not a reminder I said. Here directly will come means that is not a reminder. You have to write one more 0 here and 19 zeros are 0. So 9 here will come. That is reminder. Hence directly will come is that is not a reminder. We have to multiply with 0. 19 zeros are 0. 9 will come like that. Then we have to write reminder. Quotient is 5030. Remainder is 9. Understand children? 26 sum 43,865 divided by 40. 43 table we don't know. 43 we have to maintain rough like this. So 43 here 2 digits are there what? 43, 43. So 43 ones are 43. 43 minus 43 0. 8 will come to down. 8 is not possible. Again take one more 6. Then we have to write 0 here 86. Now 43 ones are 43. 43 twos are 2 3s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 86 came now. So 43 twos are 86. Now this 5 come to down. For 86 minus 86 0. 5 one digit only there. So it's not possible. So we should write 0, here one more, and 43 zeros are 0. This is remainder now. Hence, quotient equals to 1020. Remainder equals to 5. Understand, children? I hope you all are understand, children. Here see, here 86, when 2 digits will take means here one more digit, right, I said, and 1 digit will be there means we not able to take, that is only final remainder. You don't take like that. You have to multiply with 0 that number, and what you get, that is remainder. Coming directly, that number is not a remainder. Understand, children? I hope you all are understand, children. Thank you, children. Bye bye.